ASAP now supports the import of CATIA CAD part files and CAD product files, as well as step files. As an example, we will start with a faceted reflector and save this as a CAD part. Our new CATIA import utility now allows for the import of CATIA geometry without an installation of CATIA running alongside ASAP. In addition, the import utility now supports the import of step geometry files. As an example of CATIA import, we'll open the faceted headlamp that we saved earlier. So now we have the geometry imported from the original CAD file. So let's go ahead and complete the import and draw the resulting geometry. Here's the final imported reflector from CATIA. Now let's take a look at importing a step geometry file. On the menu we now have a new file type called step. Now we will complete the import of the step file and draw it. Here we have a plot of the imported step file. This could be used as a source for the reflector. And that's just a quick overview of importing CATIA files and step files in ASAP.